Hello guys, welcome to the new brief. Now we'd like to introduce the wholesale with green and clean energy products for our guys. First, you can see these power stations. We have 3 different capacities for your options, like 1000W, 1500W, and 2000W. Second, they have several inputs and output ways for AC, high efficiency and safe to use at the same time. Okay, we support custom AC source and from Europe, UK, USA, Japanese, these countries' requirements. By the way, you don't need to worry about the exports, shipments, and after service. We have all the certificates and professional service. Well, our guys, if you have any interest for our products, don't hesitate to send your inquiry. We will create actions all the time.